Good morning, everyone. So, today let us learn about the chemical reactions and equation. So, what is a chemical reaction? It is a process in which one or more substances form a new substance. That is, one or two substances will mix together and give a new substances. That is, a chemical reactions can't be reversed by any physical change. With any physical change, we cannot reverse it, like with the help of a distillation or evaporation or filtration or centrifugation, etc. By these things we cannot change the reactions as which has already happened. Like example, we have hydrogen and oxygen mixed together gives water, and again we cannot divide the water here. So if we want to know that a chemical reaction has happened, so we have certain involvement here, like change in a state, change in color, change in temperature, evolution of a gas. Change in state is we have ice which is converted into a water. Then water again, when it is heated, it is changed into a vapor state. Like change in color, like we have a mango color is from green, it changes to yellow color or orange, we can tell. So change in temperature, so if the temperature change in temperature, like we can take the example of a milk. If we keep the milk in the room temperature, if it is in the hot summers, what happens? It will break down. The milk will break down because of the bacteria present in the milk makes the milk to break down. Okay, so next, evolution of a gas, like we can see the paper, a paper is burned. Okay, it changes, the paper is turned into ash, and with the liberation of what happens, a gas is liberated. Like if it is incomplete combustion, we can get a carbon monoxide gas. If it is a complete combustion, we can get the carbon dioxide gas. Let us learn some of the daily life examples of chemical reaction, like digestion of food, respiration, rusting of iron, formation of curd, fermentation of grapes. Some other examples of chemical reactions are burning of paper, photosynthesis, baking cake, acid and base reaction, waste decomposition. Till here we have learnt about the chemical reactions and some examples of the chemical reaction. So now let us know about chemical reactions and its component. It is divided into two components, that is reactants and products. So here in the left side we'll be having the left hand side, that is LHS, we have reactants, and the right hand side what we get is a product. What is a reactant? The substance who take part in chemical reactions are called reactants. Product is the substances formed in chemical reactions are called product. Example, we have hydrogen reacts with oxygen and forms water. So here hydrogen and oxygens are what? They are called as reactants, whereas water is called as what? Product. One more example we have here is magnesium ribbon burnt in air gives a magnesium oxide. That is magnesium and oxygen are called as reactants, whereas magnesium oxide is called as product. Till here we have learnt about the chemical reactions. Let us know the definition of a chemical equation. A chemical reaction represented by chemical equation. It involves symbols of substances of reactants and product with mention of physical state. Like for substances we have to write there what we call symbols. We have to write them as a symbols. Okay, and the physical state is nothing but the solid, liquid, gaseous and aqueous solutions. Okay, so here hydrogen is in the form of a gaseous state and oxygen also is in the form of a gaseous state. So water is in the liquid state, whereas magnesium is in the solid state and oxygen is in the gaseous state, and the product what we are getting is in the, that is magnesium oxide is in the solid state. So everyone know what is solid, liquid and gas. Last we don't, most of the students don't know about the aqueous. See, aqueous solution is a solution in which the solvent is water. Okay, you know when the solution is has to be made, we have two parts in that. One is solute as well as a solvent. Okay, solvent is the one in which a solute is dissolved, like sugar and water we have. Sugar is a solute whereas water is a solvent. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll be learning about how to balance the chemical equation. Thank you.